In this video, I will help you generate an affiliate link that you can attach or post to any of your social media platforms. So when people order through the link that you've shared, you will also earn a commission. Now, first, you have to log into your Amazon Associates account. As you can see here, I have logged in here, and if you haven't, just log into your account. And if you don't have an account yet, you may create one on Amazon Associates. Now, under the Tools tab here, choose SiteStripe. Make sure that this is turned on, and if you haven't turned it on yet, click Learn More. Make sure that the display status is enabled and the get link and share are checked because these items will appear in your SiteStripe. Now, once that is on, click Promotions and choose Create Connections. Click on that and click Share Affiliate Links. It will redirect you to a new tab, which is the SiteStripe on Amazon. This is where we will be creating an affiliate links, share links, earn more. And on the search tab, you may search there any products that you want to promote. Let's say I will choose an iPhone 16 Pro Max case. Click enter. Now you can scroll here and check any items that you want to promote. I'll be clicking this one. Click the get link button here, and it will give you a link that will redirect to this page. So you may either choose if it's a short link or full link. Now in my case, I always wanted the short way, so I'll have the short link. Copy and paste this link into your website. And that's how we generate an affiliate link on Amazon.